Hey, this is Robert with All Pro Shade Concepts. I'm here with one of our customers, Bill. He reached out, wanted some motorized shades. I just wanted to know about your experience from start to finish. How did you find us? How did it turn out?
We have had motorized shades before in a previous house that we were in. In Arizona, you just have to have them. It makes your house twice as comfortable as it would normally would be. When we started looking for shades for this house, we contacted 2 or 3 different other companies as well as your company.
Okay.
We liked what you offered. We liked your prices. You were very competitive in prices. Your professionalism of the salespeople that came to see us was tremendous also. We just loved the idea and the concept. And we had a neighbor at our old community that had used All Pro, and they were very satisfied with your product and the service that they got.
And now, after you see it, what do you think?
I think it's tremendous. Not only is the product tremendous, but the people you have working for you. They come in, they're clean cut, they work hard, they're courteous, they tell you what to expect, and they do the work in a timely manner. One other reason we used All Pro is we knew that the service was going to be good, that if we have any problems with the product, that you folks are going to come back and take care of us, and we appreciate that.
We strive to satisfy everyone. We are always going to be here. 19 years going strong, almost 1,000 5-star reviews. We love all of our customers, and I want to thank you for choosing us to have these shades put on your house and do this project for you. And if you want some shades, allproshadeconcepts.com, or you can call the office at 623-204-1476. Again, thank you for everything. It was a very pleasure meeting.